Welcome to another video. Apparently it has been a few weeks already since the last video. This wasn't really planned. I had to work during the night 2 weeks in a row, and this disrupted all of my routines and schedules. After those things, it always takes a while to get back on track for me. For now, I can inform you that I'm working on a new and exciting wall art project that includes LEDs. And this project has been quite challenging so far. With a ton of technical stuff to go through and some topics with quite a steep learning curve. I had to restart or change my process a couple of times already, all while trying to make sense of it and putting in a nice and coherent video format. So I just wanted to let you know that a new and exciting project is still in the works and coming soon. I also received some backplate samples that I ordered, and the idea was to do a full video on those, but I got some foam board and some hard PVC and the LU panels that I've been using so far. But the LU panels, they have a polyethylene core, which is plastic, and aluminium coating on both sides, and the video would have ended up in still wanting to use the LU panel backplates that I've been using so far. They just are the most sturdy, lightweight and resilient and very easy to work with. I don't want to make videos that are valueless, if that's the right word, or deceiving, or just lack purposeful content. I don't want to waste anybody's time. Time is the most precious and only limited resource we all have in common in our lives. And so that's why I created this small update video for those interested. I understand that for most viewers it's more fun and interesting to see complete projects, of course. So that will have the main focus for the future as well. I also hated working with the Elgato camera hub software for my teleprompter while recording videos, which I use now. The software just doesn't make sense for a teleprompter to me. You can't even copy paste text normally. And with Windows getting worse with each update, I also decided to put Linux Mint on my laptop and give that a go. So this is the first video I'm recording from the teleprompter running the laptop on Linux. This was a little side project for the last weeks, and I hope this makes recording videos a little easier from now on as well, and improve the quality, of course. But that was it for this video. A quick little update. New and exciting videos and projects are coming. Like the video if you liked it. Make sure you're subscribed to get notified of future content. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.